So how do you change the name of an app on the iPad? And let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, by default, you cannot really do it by holding down on the app and like going to the edit mode. There isn't any way to change the name that way. However, if you see anybody having a different name for their app, it's almost certainly that they have done it through the Shortcuts app, right? So on the iPad, you can find the Shortcuts app like this. And, it's the regular one that you most definitely have. And the point is that you need to start a new shortcut by tapping on the plus button. And the action is going to be to open an app, right? So you're going to choose the app that you want to rename. Let's say that I'm going to pick Amazon, right? And this is like the whole shortcut. So now that we have this, we need to click on the share button like that, and we need to just add it to the home screen. So tap on that, basically rename it like this. So tap on the name like that. Make sure that you change the name of the icon. So let's say I'm going to pick it to be something like random or a test or whatever, right? And also you get to pick the icon for it. So you can import the one from the gallery, right? You can just get one from the internet, like an Amazon logo. You can even change it to something else, whatever. But basically, once you have it, you can add it to the home screen like that. And now this is the different name of the application, which just opens up the app, the Amazon app, right? So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to change it up for yourself. In case of any questions, go ahead and let me know about those below. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.